Hey guys, we are back. Welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. In this video, I am so excited. It is a special video because my husband will be taking over the cooking. So in this video, you will see him cook some smash burgers and hot dogs on his Blackstone. So I hope you enjoy. Unfortunately, at the end, my final reveal clip was deleted, so you don't get to see the ending, but I hope you guys enjoy the process. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed, join the family, and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload new content. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, you guys be blessed. Bye.
Treated you cold, made you great coffee, hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things, busting up the seats. Now I just wanna go and rock things. Made a lot of greed, now I just wanna go shopping. I used to treat you right. I used to be your life, your life. Tell me what did you run from? Tell me why did you run from me now? Oh, raindrops fall.